Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to easily make videos online without even showing your face to your audience. In this tutorial, if you follow the step by step how you can generate the script automatically and then make the videos without even showing your face. Whatever you have to do is having the idea, the title of the video. The rest will happen automatically. For you to do this, follow it by step, follow it with me. Thank you. So open Google Chrome, type in open AI and OpenAI artificial intelligence company. Just click here. This is the interface of OpenAI. So from here you are going to click on try. I already have account. If you don't have the account, you will just sign in. So from there, this is the interface of the Chatgpt. We have the examples are here, have the capabilities are here, the limitations are here. So now today uh, we are just going to give uh, the title of our video, then we get the script generated automatically using the chat GPT. So our title is how to make money on Facebook. Make money on Facebook. This is our title. Let's click and see whether GPT can generate for us script automatically. As you can watch, it's generating script automatically. As you can see, script is already generated for us. Even programmers can use ChatGPT. For example, let's say uh, Python code, okay, login. So code is generated for programmers automatically. There's no need for a programmer to type the code one by one. Instead, give what they want, the title of what they want, they get the code generated for them. The next thing they do is copy and paste. So as you can see here, the code is already generated, as you can see here. So, okay, let's go back to our topic of today, how to make money on Facebook. So that is our title. Now the next thing is for us to make video of this title and the script they have given us. So this script is complete and is perfect script. What you need to do is just copy the script. After copying it, right click on the script. Then the next step is open a new tab. Go to a site called steve.ai and enter. So as you can see here, the only AI tool to create live animation videos using text. So we already have our text. We are coming here to create live animation video using our text that we already created from ChatGPT. So just click here, sign up for free. Now, in this step, we are just going to choose Google because I already have it logged in into my laptop. Just click next. So you can see this is the dashboard of Steve AI. So we have three different options here available for us. We have uh, live script to live videos, blog to live video, then voice to live video. But we are going to go with the option of script to live video. Click start. So automatically it's giving us auto generate script. We already have our script. We don't want to auto generate our script. Just click cancel. Then we have here, this is where we're going to paste our script. Just Ctrl V to paste script. So as you can see here, if you see the topic here, what is the topic? The topic is how to make money on Facebook. So this is the script. We have already pasted the script here. Now there are some few options here you need to choose. Like here is loading, just click on Facebook, and then here just click on free, then add voiceover. So you can see here we have English, French, Germany, Italian. We want English, then the accents. Let's choose Indian accent. Then you can choose a female or a male. Female is good. And then generate a voice. So you just click on next. So you are given a template to choose for your videos. So these are the available templates we have. You can even choose this. So it's loading our templates. It's taking some little more time to load the templates. So you can see here, uh, our template is already loaded here. With the script we have pasted. So if we play it here,
There are several ways to make money on Facebook, including
so
creating and promoting a Facebook page or group related to a specific niche, such as cooking or fitness, and then monetizing it through affiliate marketing or sponsored posts. Advertising products or services through a personal or business Facebook account using the platform's built-in advertising tools. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks related to a specific topic that is popular on Facebook, such as social media marketing or personal development. Creating and selling a physical or digital product through a Facebook shop.
as you can see here, our video is already created. So the next thing we are going to do in the next step is removing this logo. But for now, these are the functions to edit the video in case you want to edit the video more, but I just want to show you how to do it. So next thing you are going to do is click on publish. So when you click on publish, if you want to download for free, so it will go with the watermark of the logo, but I'm going to show you also how to remove the logo so that you can use it for free. Then click on download. It's going to render and then take some little more time to download it. So as you can see, we are done with the downloading the video. So now I'm going to show you how to remove the logo, the Steve AI logo. Just type in 123 apps. So you come to this platform, then make sure you get the option which says remove logo from video. Then open the file and this is it. As you can all see here, it has the logo here. So you just have to crop the logo, then scroll down, save it. So it will do uploading. After uploading, it will decode. Then it will be able to save the video without the logo of Steve AI.